This is at the, gosh, look at that facade. That's kind of cool.
Be careful not to touch anything metal in the elevator, you'll be safe. No, I'm just kidding.
I was gonna say, that's kind of hard. Everything's metal in there.
I know, huh? You think you something? That metal. There's at least, hey, the one benefit about this is going to be cleaner when I'm done, I promise.
I figured. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too, bud.
Oop. He was nice. See, Westinghouse. Actually, just to the side, we'll get a view first before we go down. Check this out. Interesting. And it looks like the stairs go up. What the heck is that? There's just a red box. What? Okay. I'm not sure. Oh my god, it's so light. And a 9-volt battery. Oh, there's a camera with some metal thing on it. Oh, it's a motion detector. Whoa, jeez. Oh, I bet that's all this wet and oh, left. Anyway, in the meantime, I really like this old garage design. You can tell it's an old one. It's got the old steep ramps and all that. Look at that. Here it is. And it's a Westie. Here's the cab. It's kind of neat. I like the trail lighting. This is definitely an old Westie cab.